Yan po ang ating score, 8-7. Smart up by 1 here in set number 3. Bato natin ngayon kay Andre Mulya.
Thanks, Noel. Coach Shaq was very disappointed with how his team lost in the first 2 sets. And sabi nga niya, kahit malakas ang kalaban, hindi basta-basta silang dapat nagpapatalo ng ganon. And sabi rin niya sa Lady Tama raw, kitang-kita sa galaw nila ang takot na ayaw nilang mag-usap sa loob ng court at ayaw nilang gumalaw. He also challenged everyone at sinabing sayang ang pagod nila sa ensayo kung magpapatalo lang sila ng walang laban. Kaya kailangan nila maging matigas sa depensa para makasabay sa galaw ng kalaban. Noel and Mozzie?
Well, actually, nakausap ko kanina si Coach Bert Flores ng FEU Basketball Team Daman, who's also here in attendance. Actually, nakaupo pa nga sa bench si Coach Bert Flores na inaaral niya. Sobrang bata pa talaga nitong mga ng team na ito. And they're really here to gain the experience.
Yes, I would think that's this, ako rin, yun yung mindset nitong mga coaches natin. Pero, tama rin yung sinabi ni Coach Shaq, pwede ka naman matalo, pero yung talo na lumalabang ka.
Oo.
Huwag naman yung talo na yung gano'n parang hindi nga lumaban at all.
Well, 9-8. Smart up by 1. Here's Tony Basas to put it in play. Pati yung mobility ni Basas parang questionable pati sa serve niya, no? Charo, turned back there by Palma. Ruby sending it long. They go to Nerio, off the block. And Gohing gets there. Soltones, simpleng-simple rin.
Credit half that point to Gohing. Napakabilis niyang napuntahan yung second ball na yun. That's why they were able to make that play.
Alam mo ito si Gohing, Melissa Gohing, aplikante natin dito sa courtside.
Oo.
Biglang rumakit.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya nga eh.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Ibig sabihin mo,
pero ako, gusto ko muna siyang makitang naka-blue. Maiba lang,
Kita mo na.
Maiba
Ayan,
lang.
Nakagip pa niya yung attacking yon. Here's Maruba Natikla. Agno is back in at libero and easy put away there from Remy Palma. Yan yung 1-2-3 na dadaanan. Agno si Palma. Ang bilis niyan. And if Tony Basas is 100%, isa pa yan. Tony Basas,
magiging
bagang.
simple din yung buhay.
Oo.
Ang ganda naman ng service.
Here is Maru once again. Off the block. Agno keeping it alive. This time they go to Nerio. Punches it across with the left hand. Here is De Leon. Para kay Maru.
Not enough juice.
Nanghina.
Wanted to go off speed pero malayo.
Dikitan tong ating third set. We are tied at 10.
Yes,
Pero marami na ring error Smart.
And this is what we want to see from FEU. And si Coach Shaq, yun nga sa report ni Ann, sinabi, yung laban naman. Kaya-kaya naman pala. Di ba?
Oo. Ito Nerio trying to give them the lead. Suroses. Maru. Ang ganda naman ng abang ni Remy Palma.
They knew that Maru was going for an angle. Remy Palma just too ready for that block.
So 11-10, let's take a look at it one more time. Our Rexona slow-mo brought to us by Rexona Antiperspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Kita mo naman yung puro braso. Nandun.
Jump ball.
They reset the jump ball. Possession arrow to...
Wala pa kasing tito. Excited lang.
Possession arrow to FEU tayo. Uy, kakatapos lang ng FIBA Asia Championship.
Ay, grabe.
Parang hindi ata kita nakita doon, Mozzie.
Alam mo kami, doon kami sa taas para kasama yung masasaya. Hindi man doon. Doon kami sa SRO para
ganon.
masaya.
Kasama yung mga ultras. Yan. As Maruba Natikla, ties it up once again at 11. Alam mo, saya doon, mas lalo pag sisimula yung wave.
Ayan.
Yung wave kasama sa wave.
Ayan.
So, congratulations. Pupunta Espanya. Espanya na pupunta ng Smart Gilas. Here's the combination play. Remy Palma. De Leon, back set. Suroses off the block. Agno, C. Palma again. 1, 2, 3 na naman.
Yan ang hinahanap-hanap ni Coach Shaq.
Hindi pa tumatawag ng timeout si Coach Roger
very
sa larong to.
powerful tip.
Oo.
Diba? Yan na.
Kinalmot na naman ng Tigre yung bola.
Hirap na itig niyan.
So 12-11. Palma. This time, ako, ilagan sila lahat sa frontline sa FEU.
Yun lang.
So it is now a tied ball game once again at 12 each. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Charo Soriano. Nanalo ng unang kampyonato ang Ateneo dito sa Shakey's V-League nung siya ang head coach. Simborio.
And I think the youngest coach ever.
The youngest ever to win a Shakey's V-League title as a head coach. Ito si Charo Soriano back to becoming a player.
Kayang-kaya pa naman kasi.
Kaya pa naman. Yan din, isa sa mga example na after their volleyball career ended in college, pumayat lalo imbis na
That's
tumaba. And Malabanan.
Malabanan in the middle gets it to go.
So we are now tied at 13. Kanyang pinsan, Nerio. Gohing. De Leon. Wow, galing si Maru.
Panatigla. That's her 14th attack point, partner. And of 33 attempts. So she has been
Almost
receiving.
50%, yeah.
Yeah, almost. Tama ka dyan, 41%.
Bad reception from Nerio. No second ball coming from Tony Basas. 15-13, pero dikit pa rin itong ating third set. Lady Tamaraw showing a lot of fight here against the 8-woman squad of Roger Gorayev and Smart. Tony Basas. Ay, ang ganda naman. No?
Just enough power to
Pinamigay
send that in.
Pinamigay na ni Nika Guliman sa likuran. Wala naman siyang coverage. And we have substitutions coming in. Samantha Dawson seeing her first action as we take a look at that attack once again from Maritoni Basas. And Ina Papa will see her first action as well.
Let's
Ito
see.
yung teenager na player.
Mukhang ito nang papalit sa trono ni Giselle C.
So who is the assigned captain? Yan tinatanong dito ni Just Villarreal. Si Dawson daw ang assigned captain. Pag inalis si Giselle C, syempre tatanong, sino yung tatayong kapitan?
Kasi yun lang ang pwedeng kausapin na ating mga referees.
And the block goes out from Dawson. So it is 16-14 para dito sa kupunan na Smart. Dalawa ang kanila kalamangan sa ating second technical timeout.
Ako po si Joy Casas ng Philippine Air Force at kayo nanonood ng Shakey's V-League. Open